First I'm gonna test player itself, and later I'm gonna show you how to activate Bluetooth.
Living life every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need is a better day. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly, I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just get buying everything. See you in the next life, to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight. Gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an X-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it's squeezed till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I can walk, see, hear, I should celebrate.
Now let's test the Bluetooth. First, we have to activate aux. Now, activate. Basically what we did, we eliminate aux and instead we install the Bluetooth. So now aux is on, that means Bluetooth is on. Okay. Let's try it on. Now aux is on. Going to our cell phone. Activate Bluetooth. Now, here it is. Connecting. Now it's basically connected. Go into YouTube and play any video you want. That's it. Now the radio is playing from my phone.